Hi, welcome to this video series on how to find the right career in 21 days. Today in day 7 we would be talking about education and teaching. So let's have a look at that. Education and teaching. So moving ahead, what is education and teaching? As we all know that education is related to school, college, and preschool and every such thing. So you are thinking in the right direction. But yes, as a education, when we talk about education, you generally can think about a teaching career, but there are many other career options as well which you can opt in, which you can think of. Let's have a look at that. First of all, let's understand what types of careers or what type of courses do we have in this particular career cluster. So we have both professional courses and vocational courses. But yes, professional courses do have more weightage than any vocational course. Then specialization track. Let us discuss about specialization track. So academic research associate and fellow, education technologist, industrial technologist, professor or a lecturer, counselor, educationist, school teacher, educational administrator, फॉरेन लैंग्वेज टीचर एंड स्पेशल एजुकेटर. सो हम लोग जब बात करते हैं टीचिंग की, तो हम लोग जनरली सिर्फ स्कूल या कॉलेज की टीचिंग की बात करते हैं, बट वी डोंट जनरली थिंक अबाउट द अदर careers which we can also go ahead and opt from टीचिंग एंड एजुकेशन. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो वो करिकुलम डिज़ाइन कर रहे होते हैं, जो नोटबुक्स एंड टेक्स्ट बुक्स आपके डिज़ाइन कर रहे होते हैं, जो उन्हें बना रहे होते हैं, जो उन्हें अट्रैक्टिव बना रहे होते हैं, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, या फिर उन सारी चीज़ों को एडमिनिस्टर कर रहे होते हैं. सो डू थिंक अबाउट इट इफ़ यू आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड, if you are really interested in making your career in education and teaching. So let's have subject requirement in this particular career. So as far as subjects are concerned, this is again a neutral career which you can opt from any field like science, commerce or humanities. No such restriction as far as stream selection is concerned. But yes, if you want to choose any particular subject which you want to which you are shortlisting for this particular career, then you should have that specific subject knowledge which is mandatory. Without that you cannot just go ahead and doing that. All right, so working environment, we all have familiar things, mostly indoor, social, job responsibility, independent working, practical theory knowledge is important, soft spoken and good communication skills, repetitive tasks and work. So generally हम देखते हैं कि टीचर्स वही चीज़ें हर साल पढ़ाती हैं, so it can become repetitive as well. So if you're okay with that, think about it. Competences required for this particular career are problem solving, listening skills, interpreting, coordination, supervising, communication skills, articulation, administration, reasoning, challenging task, realistic, works in team, intelligence and expertise in subject is must for this particular career cluster. Let's talk about the earning and growing opportunities. If you are talking about the present opportunity, it has a slow growth. I mean slow, what do I mean by slow growth is, अगर आपने कोई भी starting में join किया है तो yes, it will take 2, 3 or 4 years as well to come to the next level. So in the beginning it has a slow growth, and as far as growing for the future, और अगर आप सोचे बाद में कैसे होगी, then you can take a leap and you can have a moderate growth in this particular career cluster. But yes, as far as scope is concerned, we always want teachers, we all want good tutors. Everywhere we have a requirement for teachers, tutors and the one who are behind the scenes in this particular area. So openness for specially able person, acid attack victim, then mild physical disability, laparoscopy, cerebellum, dwarfism, low vision, hard on hearing, dyslexia, deaf and specific learning disabilities. Speech and language disability can work, but specific to it should be specific to some work in the school administration. So you have to think about the specialization if you are a specially abled person and if you want to make career in this particular stream. And then talk about the real life heroes are like your teachers, your principal, your administrator is your in your school are your real life can be your real life heroes. कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में हम जिन लोगों से मिलते हैं, जो लोग भी वो काम करते हैं, those can be your real life heroes. But if you are talking about some important personalities in this particular area are Shaheen Mistry and Dilfarazi Kazi. So there are many more teachers who have been working very seriously, very honestly to bring the new minds and moving ahead in their career. Let's talk about college universities offering this particular courses. Generally these courses in sense ki B.Ed and D.Ed. So generally these are the basic requirement, but besides that there are many colleges who are offering other courses besides B.Ed and D.Ed. So Symbiosis, SRM University Chennai, JMI New Delhi, LPU Jalandhar, IGNOU Delhi, MSU Barodara and Trist University in Bangalore. So these are the famous universities and colleges which are providing good courses in this particular stream. Let's talk about entrance exam. So there are specific entrance exam for all the colleges mostly, but they also consider your merit marks or your 12th standard marks if for their admissions. Other than that, we have specific state exams, state board exams, or you can say other state related entrance exam for different state. For Maharashtra it's B.Ed CET, for IGNOU it's IGNOU B.Ed, for Andhra Pradesh is AP ED CED, UP B.Ed JEE. So these are the few exams, but yes, there are many other states and many other exams which you can consider if you are talking about this particular career. So this was all about education and teaching. Now I hope you would have got a clear idea that education is not only about it. I mean, making career in education or teaching is not only about teaching something to the students or directly interacting with the students. There are many other roles which one can perform in the universities, in the institutes which are part of it. So do consider them, and if you're really not sure about what could be your specialization or what can you do with your urge of teaching, or if you are willing to do something on your own and change the Indian culture of education or something, then you can surely think about this career and can be part of big organizations like universities and the one who are curriculum design. So see you, bye bye, see you in the next video. And if you're not sure, please do click on the link below in the description with the one-to-one consultation, which is free, and you can surely understand what is your niche and what is your problem. Bye bye, see you, have a nice day.